And I've never seen the purple sea moss before. So here it is, guys. Beautiful. Okay, I'm used to like a bone color beige sea moss. This one is purple. So what I'm going to be doing is give this a good wash. You can see all the salt on it. Look at that. And it's gonna be going in a pot of water, and I am going to be washing this thing thoroughly and soaking it overnight. So good morning. It's the beautiful Sunday morning here, and we're going for the exotic vitamin dose this morning from that beautiful purple sea moss. Look how gorgeous that is. Washed, soaked in lemon juice overnight, fully rehydrated. Look at that beauty. Dark purple, lighter purple, gorgeous. Look at that. So that first batch is blended with just the lemon water and ginger, and then that gel is going to be dehydrated for me to make my sea moss caplets. Okay, so from the dehydrated purple sea moss, I dehydrate it down to like a paper in the oven. See, it's like a paper form. And then I did buzz it in the blender, and it's kind of at a rough stage. I'm gonna dry it out some more, have it air dry, and rebuzz it again because it needs to be a fine powder. And after this, you'll see it in the capsule form. Going into some fresh pineapple. So I peel the pineapple and I have the cubes. So with a bit of the ginger sea moss gel that I have here, I'm adding to my smaller blender bottle, and I'm gonna be putting in some nice chunks of pineapple, and I'm gonna blend this baby into a nice pineapple ginger sea moss gel, and that's our exotic vitamins of the morning. I hope you like and try. It's your girl Alicia. I'll be back with the finish. Pineapple ginger lemon sea moss gel, and not just sea moss, but the purple sea moss. Let's see what comes out. Ooh, yeah. This is that pineapple, ginger, lemon, sea moss gel made from that purple sea moss. And the purple sea moss is compliments of Mr. Sheldon. And this is coming from, this sea moss is hopping from the island of St. Lucia. Oh yeah, beautiful. Pineapple, ginger, sea moss gel made from the beautiful purple sea moss.